Hello everyone.
Happy January 1st. Today we celebrate new beginnings, hangovers, and the joy of fresh starts. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's New Year's Day. A global celebration of hope and renewal. A great gift could be a resolution journal, a vision board kit, or a motivational calendar. What's your resolution this year? Let's inspire the comments. It's National Hangover Day. A humorous nod to recovery after the festivities. A thoughtful gift could be a hydration kit, a cozy blanket, or a soothing tea set. What's your best recovery tip? Let's share in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's Global Family Day. A celebration of peace, unity, and togetherness. A sweet gift could be a family photo frame, a shared board game, or a kindness calendar. How do you celebrate family? Let's honor them in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 1st to 5th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.